In a bustling city cafe, a witty barista and a sassy parrot swat life hacks that somehow change everyone's mood. The parrot squawks, "Patience is a spice," and the barista retorts, "Love is the extra shot," turning a line into a tiny seminar. A customer complains about a long wait, but the duo riffs about timing and intention, transforming frustration into a shared punchline. Even the street musician nearby joins, adding a chorus about generosity, while the parrot mimics a drum beat and the human negotiates a tiny latte duty. By the end, strangers trade smiles, realizing everyday choices, kindness, patience, humor, are edible with a little caffeine and a lot of conversation.